Ready to let the world peek into your Instagram world? Cool. Today, I'll walk you through switching your Instagram from private to public using your iPhone. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, grab your iPhone and open up Instagram. Now, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see a little hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on that. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit until you find Account Privacy under the Who Can See Your Content section. Tap on it. To make your account public, simply toggle off Private Account and then tap the Switch to Public button. Voila, your Instagram profile is now set to public. This means your posts, videos, photos, reels, and stories are open for anyone to see and use as they wish. That's all there is to it. Your private Instagram account is now a public one. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. And hey, subscribing would really mean a lot to me. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.